Hello everyone, I am Antonia Frisia, technical consultant at IL Utilities. I work within our industrial team, helping companies achieve their sustainability goals, especially when it comes to water. Why is water so important for companies? Because it's fundamental to everything, from food and beverage to pharmaceuticals, textiles, and oil and gas. Nothing can be manufactured without water. Ensuring a safe, reliable, and sustainable water supply is essential to keep any business running. What I love about my job is how it connects the dots between sustainability and innovation. I get to dive into fascinating production processes, understanding how water is used, what quality of water is required, what wastewater is being generated. Then we use that knowledge to develop strategies to reduce, reuse, recycle, and reclaim water. We have to understand that water is a local issue, and that's why in IL we also look beyond the site to the surrounding water basin. We start by addressing the physical, regulatory, and reputational risks encountered within that local basin, and then working with stakeholders to tackle those risks. Water is becoming always more about finding collaborative solutions to protect water resources in the long term. For example, different industries can invest in a common reclamation plant to then use this reclaimed water as intake water for their manufacturing processes, therefore reducing the stress on the surface and groundwater. One of the most inspiring parts of my job is watching companies transform their mindset. Seeing how the teams, the operators, engineers shift their mindset as they realize how critical it is to address water challenges head on. At IL, we combine two powerful sources, which are cutting-edge water technologies and deep practical expertise. By bringing these together, we help our clients turn challenges into opportunities with tailored, impactful solutions. So, if water sustainability is on your mind, if you're curious about how to make your production process more efficient in terms of water, let's talk. I'd love to share ideas and explore how we can make a difference together. See you at Aquatech.